Hey folks, let's do today's CSS battle. Oh, and I guess the first thing we need to do is have this not be January. It's actually February. And will that update in real time? Yeah, it is. Okay, great. Oh, okay. So what do we got? Fun one. All right. I've been doing some prior the retro CSS battles, and I've done a little bit with skew, and so I really want to do this with skew. How well that's going to work, let's find out. So let's start with the blank template. We'll put this color in place, and I'm going to try to align this thing with this width, the width of the top and bottom. So let's do, and we're going to need to set margins anyway, so let's do this. Okay, so 0, 50, 60, 70. Get it down so it's aligned, and then let's do different numbers on this edge: 7, 8, 9, 70, 75. How about 85? How about 80? How about 81, 82? Okay, and then let's change this number as well. But instead of this edge, we're going to put it to this edge, and then hope for the best. And actually, let's make it shorter. 80? No, 70? All right. So this is the right margin, or the end margin here. 40. 140. Whoa. Okay, great. So let's do a transform. Skew on the x-axis by some degrees. How about minus 10 degrees? How about minus 20, 30, 40? Hey, pretty happy with that. Although now I'm less confident. So we need to I don't like this. So let's put, I'm gonna do something weird. Pixel, 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 and then we're gonna do some math here. So our adjustment is we're gonna say 20 pixels. So whatever we add to the second number, we need to remove from the other number. So let's do a calc of var -a plus 140 pixels. And then this one is going to be very similar, but minus. And then make sure you've got all your parents lined up. Oh, do we need to add it to both? No, we need to subtract from one. Oh, that is not working at all. Okay. That's not really what I intended. So what's the problem here? Oh, wait. so how bad am I at math? Off the top of my head, that's the question. It's actually algebraic. It's whatever the width is 140 minus 82. So it's actually the width minus whatever the number is. So let's do. So the what if we just eyeballed it? Because we're too lazy to do that. All right, so this is the final. Let's get rid of that. Sorry, bad idea. 50, 60, 70, 70, 80. That's way easier. I don't know what I was thinking there, but it didn't work. 110, 111. And then let's decrease this number, or increase this number, 110, 1. Okay, and now let's adjust the angle. 40.5. And then let's adjust these numbers too. Aha! Oh, it just happens to be the same number. So that means this is the same thing. That means I can remove the PX units and have it still work. But this does mean that, okay, so I need another one. Here it comes. And that's going to need to be a variable var of the angle, or minus 40.5 degrees. And I think what I want, P plus P, is going to be, the angle is 40.5 degrees. And then I need to set the margin. Margin is going to be 0, 112 again. Or what is it? There, it's right there. How about minus 70, 80? So the height is 70, but the margin negative is minus 80, because the top margin currently is 80. I don't understand totally the math there, but that seems to have worked, surprisingly. Shockingly, I would say. But that is it. That is a fun one. That is a lot more fun than I thought it would be, and it was easier than I thought it would be, and I'm sure it will burn me in the future. Because my typical technique for things like this would be conic gradient, right, or clip paths, but the skews are actually pretty fun to work with. Fun-ish, despite my attempt to do algebra and totally misunderstanding the math of the margins and the width and how they would interact. It really is about constraining to that width of 400, and then whatever I add on one side needs to be subtracted from the other to move those around. But you need to be starting from 400 as the basis of your mathematics. All right, let's unit replace and minify and resubmit, and then we're done. That's great. That's a fun one. I enjoy that. Reorganizing the office today and doing some of these videos in between, and it's a lot of fun. All right, have a great day. Take care of yourselves. Make a web page. Make something cool, and take care. Bye-bye.